Now in 1959, Corgi came out with a Massey Ferguson Combine, a number 780 Combine Harvester, and this was numbered 1111, Corgi Major toy. It was withdrawn in 1964, but it's quite an impressive model. This one has a driver, the wheel turns, and this wheel turns, and this action here, you turn this, lift that, we're traveling, and this little wheel is what's being, this side is being lowered and raised, and this wheel turning is what's turning it. There it goes again. It's a heavy model, but by 1964 these tines, which were metal originally, had been changed to plastic, and my version here has the plastic tines, which doesn't really bother me, but the metal tines do look a lot better. I imagine some parent had complained at one time about the little metal tines being sharp or something, or the toy safety regulations got a hold of them. But it's still a excuse me, still a beautiful model. Box is quite the size, very thick, and it's got an insert inside that slips over top of the model to hold it still, I guess for shipping. It's a great model, and very well made and very displayable.